Thunderstorm Warning for Central Burke County and East Central Georgia. At 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Burke County Airport, or near Waynesboro, moving north at 15 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waynesboro, Alexander, Burke County Airport, and Shell Bluff.